Well, welcome back to the Steve Rob Show. Today, a little bit of a package, guys. Unbelievable what I seen on Amazon. I seem to be doing a lot of Amazon openings here. This is no big smoking deal or anything. It's just, I'm opening up the package down here. And it's something that I seen on Amazon just by coincidence. I had no idea what I was doing there, and I seen it and I thought, wow. I'm going to show you this, guys. And just sit right here. Guys, is this too much or what? Check this out. Guys, this here is a 10-cup coffee holder. And this top piece here, you put your coffee filter in and you just pour hot water. And I'm going, wow. Okay, wow. Like, what's going on? And then I look down, and here's the second part. This is the small one right here. Now this is for putting over top of just a single cup. I'll open it up here for you. Then you get an idea what the big one is all about. So there it is right there, guys. And you just put this over top, and looks like it's got a filter in there too, a number 2 filter. And all you do is you put this over top of your cup in the morning, and you put the little filter in there. Looks like Melita number 2. Put your coffee in, just pour hot water over top. That's it, you're done. Now guys, this is just fantastic for me because I do have a coffee machine up at the camp. I have to go outside, I have to start the generator up, have to go through all this. I never knew this existed. Did you guys know that this existed? I never had a clue that this was even around. And it holds 10 cups. And it's the same deal here with the little piece on the top. And you have your filter inside. You put your, for me, I use 1 big heaping tablespoon of coffee for every cup that I brew. And all you do is just pour your hot water over top. And the biggest problem I've had over the year with coffee machines, I'm not too sure if you guys have or not, as time goes by, the water doesn't just get as hot as it was before. And of course, it's a pain trying to clean these things. And of course, I take mine every year home with me, clean it the best I can. And the most I ever get out of one of these machines, guys, because we make a lot of coffee up at the camp, is maybe 3 years, 4 years tops. And by the 4th year, you know, it's just not hot like it originally was. And they're a pain to clean. And I'm going to try this. I don't know. Has any of you guys ever tried this before? For me, it's a no-brainer, especially in November. We're up there in the fall. I don't have to go out early in the morning and start up the generator just to make coffee. I just put my kettle on top of my Coleman stove there and heat up the water. Boom, this is done. So I'm going to try it all out. I'd be interested if any of you guys have ever tried this before. I think it's a great idea, and especially this one here, you know, that has the single cup. And I'll be using that one up there by myself because I do go up there quite a bit by myself. I just thought I'd introduce you to this. And guys, this was 15 bucks, and this was $7 and change. And I thought it was just terrific. And we'll see how it works. I'll show you up at the camp. One day, hopefully, how it all works and how I like it and everything else. But for now, for 15 bucks, no moving parts, don't have to start up the generator, nothing like that. Sounds like a buy to me, guys. Okay, I'll let you go. Thanks for dropping in. Subscribe if you haven't. Come back again. Let's have some fun. Bye, guys.